If you are a medical professional and want to work in the UK for the NHS, an NHS supplier or in adult social care, you may be eligible for a health and care worker visa. This visa is valid for 5 years and can be extended. What are the requirements? To be eligible for a health and care worker visa, you must be a qualified doctor, nurse, health professional or adult social care professional, work in an eligible health or social care job, work for a UK employer that has been approved by the Home Office, have a certificate of sponsorship from your approved Home Office employer, be paid a minimum salary. This will depend on the type of work you do. Be able to speak, read, write and understand English. What are you allowed to do with a health and care worker visa? Work in an eligible job. Have a second role in the same sector and at the same level as your main position for up to 20 hours per week. Have a second role on the skilled worker shortage occupation list for up to 20 hours per week. Engage in voluntary work. Study. Bring your partner and/or children with you, depending on their eligibility. Travel abroad and return to the UK. Apply for settlement or indefinite leave to remain and/or have permanent residence in the UK after 5 years lawful residence. With a health and care worker visa, you are not allowed to apply for public funds and/or benefits, change jobs or employer until you update your visa. To apply for a health and care worker visa, you must apply online. How you apply will depend on whether you are applying from outside the UK, inside the UK and extending your current health and care worker visa, inside the UK and switching from a different visa. Your partner and children can apply to join you or stay in the UK as your dependents. You and your dependent partner and children will need to pay the health and care worker visa application fee and prove you have enough personal savings. You're not required to pay the immigration health surcharge. Why choose Compass Immigration Law? Applying for a health and care worker visa can be difficult as there are many requirements to satisfy. For peace of mind, we can help you with your health and care worker visa application by guiding you in the health and care worker visa process from start to finish, explaining the health and care worker visa requirements, advising you on the evidence required to meet the health and care worker visa requirements, assisting you with preparing and submitting your health and care worker visa application form, writing a letter explaining how you satisfy the health and care worker visa requirements, liaising with the Home Office until a decision is made. For more information, get in touch using the details on screen.